Okay, hi guys. I'm making a roast beef sandwich, and I'm just gonna show you how I make it. I use this right here, the gluten-free, fully cooked roast beef slice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut into little pieces, throw it in there. Sorry, my hands is like I'm video recording and cooking at the same time, so break it up into little pieces. I should just I use 2 packets because I have a big family, so I don't feel like making anything, so I'd rather just make a lot and then don't worry about doing any more. Little beef left. That's the first batch. It's away. And then I got another one free. Didn't realize one hand would be that hard video recording. Yeah. So what I did was I cut up 1 whole onion, and then you can use like any peppers you want, but I am using sweet peppers. I'll use any color because I like it to look colorful. That's just my opinion. Yeah, I probably should cut up some more. Oh well, it's gonna go down. After that, what I do, I put a little bit of black pepper, and I put a little bit of cooking oil in it too. And also use McCormick smoked paprika. I don't use a lot, but since this is going to be a lot of meat, I'm going to use that much. And the cheese it is sliced Swiss cheese. And grab. And I'm using this mayo, Kraft olive oil mayo. You can use any mayo you want to use. You use a spoon or whatever. And just basically carry it. Gonna break this meat up. So that's what it looks like right now. So when I come back and it's done, I'll show you what it looks like when it's all cooked down. Okay, I'm back. So this is what the meat looks like now. It went down, the meat shrunk and all this juices and stuff. Sorry, the juices popped on the stove, so it's cool though. I'm gonna clean it up after I cook. But anyways, look at that. Look at all that juice from this meat. I put a little bit of cooking oil in it so all this can fry and stuff. So what I'm gonna do now, this looks done. This is already fully cooked, so there's no need for you to overcook it. It's actually hard doing all this with one hand. Yes. Look at that cheese. That looks bomb. Place it over there. And let that bad boy melt. Put this over here. Oh, this is the bread I used. Cereally Artisanal, whatever. Let that melt. That looks really good. Once that melts, then I'm going to pick it up, put it on this bread right there. I'm going to call it a day. Let me get another slice. So cheesy. That. No, I'm just That's what I'm gonna do. Ooh. What's that? Ooh, it's breaking apart. It's okay. I'm gonna put it. Over there. Cheese. Ooh, look at that. Okay, next one. Ooh, it's so hard doing it one. Okay. Get it. Look at that. Oh no! It's cool. Even though it fell back in the pie, it's cool. Still gonna taste good anyway. Ooh, that meat is coming off. Very cheesy. Look at that cheese. Okay. Sorry y'all, this is a little messy job, but that is the roast beef sandwich. So, yeah. Okay. See you guys later.